Ever wondered about having your own mini world? Welcome to the incredible beauty of terrariums, a tiny, self-sustaining ecosystem to marvel at right in your living room. Picture this, a lush green landscape blooming with miniature plants, all encased in a glass jar. How cool is that? Let's dive deeper into the world of terrariums. Terrariums are not only a visual spectacle, but also a therapeutic escape from urban living. Imagine bringing not just a plant, but an entire ecosystem indoors, fitting perfectly into your living room. It's a stunning sight, isn't it? And the best part? Making a terrarium is simpler than you think. It doesn't take a green thumb or a scientist's precision. In fact, it's just like a DIY project, perfect for a leisurely Sunday afternoon. All you need is a clear glass container, some pebbles, charcoal, potting soil, and of course, your favorite mini plants. Layer them, set your plants, and voila, your mini ecosystem is ready. But hold on, there are a few things to keep in mind. Terrariums need light, but not direct sunlight. They flourish in indirect light, finding a balance between too much and too little. And remember, water sparingly. It's an ecosystem, not a swamp. Overwatering can easily disrupt the delicate balance of nature. With the right care, your terrarium will bloom and thrive, turning into more than just a visual spectacle. It's a living, breathing piece of art, a testament to the wonderful complexity and resilience of nature. Each day, it's a new story, a new spectacle to behold. Why not embark on this green adventure? Let your creativity shine, and let the beauty of terrariums captivate your heart. The beauty of terrariums awaits you. Stay tuned as we explore more about the types of plants suitable for terrariums, the ideal conditions for their growth, and some creative ideas to design your terrarium. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more updates on plants.